This is our protagonist today, the BG02 graphics card miner. It is only used for power supply and support. Other power supply methods can be adopted, such as PC power supply and server power supply. The first step is to plug in the power cord. The fan is started to power on successfully. Connect to the local network and link to Magic 5659 to jump to a new interface. Step 2. Configuration requires a connection to Wi-Fi. The website supports wireless settings. The operation is also very simple. Step 3. Open the background management interface and enter the IP address of the mining machine on the graphics card screen. Set up mining pool and wallet address ready to excavate. The running status can be checked in real time. The computing power temperature is clear at a glance. The fan is running smoothly, excellent mute effect. Low noise to 40 decibels, suitable for home or office environment. Can be plugged into hosts, servers and racks, and is suitable for multiple scenarios. Summary, just 3 steps: plug in, connect to the network, configure. Then beginners can easily get started. For more tutorials, please follow us.